Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a reputable VPN that uses AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy. This protects your traffic. Once you have an account, verify your email and select a subscription plan that fits your needs. Next, download the correct app for your operating system, Windows, Mac OS, iOS, or Android, and install it. Make sure to allow any required permissions. After installation, open the app so you can proceed to configuration. This prepares you to connect securely. You sign into the VPN app and immediately enable safety features. The kill switch to block leaks and auto-reconnect to restore protection. Then choose the protocol, WireGuard for faster performance or OpenVPN for wider compatibility, because the protocol affects speed and stability. Next, pick a server. Choose a nearby server for lower latency or select a specific country if you need content access. Once done, hit connect and confirm the app shows an active, encrypted connection. You now have secure and use the internet normally once connected, but first verify your IP and DNS to confirm the VPN is active. If you notice slow speeds, switch to a closer server, change the protocol, or enable split tunneling to exempt trusted apps. When the connection fails, restart the VPN app and then your device. Make sure your firewall or router isn't blocking the VPN. If problems persist, reconnect using a different protocol. This final check keeps your connection reliable and private. One simple troubleshooting tip often fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.